What if turning your raw data into a dashboard was this simple? Welcome to Easy Coworker, where your work gets done smarter, faster, and beyond just data. Just upload your CSV file. No setup, no tools, no complexity. Then tell Easy Coworker what you need in plain English. Create a procurement analytics dashboard. No coding, no SQL, just ask. Behind the scenes, Easy Coworker understands your file. It figures out the structure, chooses the right skill, and even selects the best agent to do the job. You do not have to sit and wait. You can leave and come back later. Your work keeps running in the background. Everything is saved safely in one place. Once it is ready, your dashboard is generated as a file, procurementdashboard.pdf. You can download it anytime from the Output section. Open the file and your dashboard is ready. Total spend, 250 orders placed, 20 unique suppliers, a total of 12,384 items ordered. With full visuals, spend by supplier, monthly trends, invoice breakdown, top products by value. From raw data to a complete dashboard in minutes. Download it, share it, use it anywhere. This is Easy Coworker.